Hi, I'm Anna with Reno Row Home. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Trugard drain. So it comes with the grate as well, and you can choose your option on their website. They have a lot of options there. We went with the checkered stainless steel one. And then this sits right in your shower tray. So we will show you how to cut your pipe down because ours is a little bit high right now. We'll show you how to do that and then how to install it.
Hi, I'm Josiah. I'm the other half of Reno Row Home. Now, when you're putting your drain and your shower tray down, there's going to be some things that are going to be happening simultaneously. So right now, our shower tray isn't actually thin setted down yet. We kind of did a dry fit. It's already cut to size though. But as you can see, our drain is sitting right above the floor. So we're going to have to cut this down so that our Trugard drain can actually fit down on top of it. So what we found is if you lay down your tray and you put your drain actually on the existing pipe, this distance between the two, that's the distance that you're going to actually have to cut off your pipe. So in our case, it's about 1.5 inches. So we're going to take this off. You're going to see this in a second. We're going to cut around the pipe about 1.5 inches so we can actually get to line up flush.
Generously apply modified or unmodified thin-set mortar in the recessed area of the shower tray, and then simultaneously you'll need to glue the pipe and press it down into the thin set at the same time.